Hello and welcome to video number 1 for our faculty promotion training videos. This first video is entitled Accessing Your Promotion Binder. A few things before we get into the access of your binder that I want you to be aware of is as follows. Number 1, you will not be completing an actual physical binder that will be submitted. Instead, your promotion binder will be completed on a SharePoint drive that is housed in the Teaching and Learning Center. You will receive your folder sometime in October, and the only person who will have access to it are you, the promotion committee, and the provost and president's offices as well. When promotion binders are completed, you will receive an email from me and the Teaching and Learning Center SharePoint site. The email again will come from me, and in the body of the email it'll look something like this. So it will say that I shared a folder with you, and then it'll say here's the folder that I have shared with you, and then there will be a direct link to your particular file. All you will need to do is come down here to the very bottom and click open, and you will have access to your binder. When you access your binder, you will see that there will be a file folder that says supporting materials, and then you will see a series of pages also within your folder. The first one is cover sheet, the second is the Vita, then your transcripts, philosophy, external service, your performance planning agreements, instruction, student guidance, internal service, professional development activities, educational leadership, performance effectiveness, letters of evaluation, and any additional information that you would like to provide. In order for you to complete your promotion binder, you will need to complete all of these pieces of information prior to the deadline. Your first draft of your promotion binder will be due the first Friday in February. You will receive feedback to correct your binder at that time, and you will be given another date when it is due. Typically, your second draft of your binder is due by the 15th of the month, and finally, your binder for formal submission is due no later than February 25th or 26th of the year. At this point, I am going to go ahead and sign off on this opening video and begin our next one.